Welcome back again, guys. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I DIY this leftover hair mask from my previous video that I did about fenugreek, clove and rice hairspray. I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. So here is my leftover. If you guys have watched that video, you can actually see that I mentioned that I was gonna keep the leftover of that hairspray because I really don't want it to waste it. So here I'm going to be making a hair mask out of it. Okay, so this is how I am going to be preparing this hair mask today. So I went ahead to add all this fenugreek, clove and rice into my blender. So now I'm going to be adding some aloe vera gel. So this is actually aloe vera from my aloe vera plant, guys. My kids is always breaking my aloe vera. I don't know what I have to do. Like I feel like putting it up. Okay. So yeah, just go ahead and cut this aloe vera in little pieces and then you can go ahead and add them together in your blender. So if you don't want to add aloe vera, if you don't have any aloe vera, guys, or if you don't have all this stuff that I'm going to be adding into this hair mask, you can also just go ahead and skip them, okay? It's also very fine, okay? Yeah. So the next ingredient that I added was actually banana. Yes, banana is also great for hair. Banana can really nourish your hair. Banana can soften your hair. Banana can give you all that shines that you are looking for. It's also is a great source of protein. It have a protein also. You guys know that I already talk about all the benefit of the fenugreek, clove and rice into my rice hairspray. So guys, make sure you go and check that video out. Okay, so just cut your banana and also add them into your blender. And the next ingredient is also egg. So egg is also a great protein for hair. If you guys don't eat banana, if you are that type of person who doesn't like to eat banana like me, I don't eat banana like that, but then you can just go ahead and add it into your hair as a hair mask, and it's really going to help your hair. Like it's going to give you that great protein that you are looking for. So egg is also a strengthening properties and it also have a lot of protein. So all these ingredients are just great for your hair. So I went ahead to add a little bit of water just to blend it to this beautiful paste. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be separating I'm going to be using my whole scalp to squeeze out the mask. Guys, you really have to go to this process, trust me, because we don't want any uh, articles our hair, because even though you blend this mask, you're really gonna see a lot of articles, so we really don't want that into our hair, to be honest. So this was just the main part that I did. So I went ahead to squeeze um, the mask out. Okay, and then your hair mask is ready. Okay, it's ready to use. You can go ahead and add some more oil if you prefer, and yeah, it's ready to use. So after squeezing out the mask, as you guys can see, this is what I was talking about. We really don't want this into our hair, to be honest. Imagine if you don't squeeze this mask like this with your hose, and you are actually going to have all this stuff into your hair, and you're gonna have the whole day to wash your hair. You all know, as our hair, because our hair is afro and is really coiling, so we really don't need such things into our hair. So here is my mask. It's ready. Yes, this mask is just looking so good. I do like fenugreek and rice together, and it's just giving me that softness that you guys know what I mean. So yeah, I went ahead to add 1 cup of extra virgin oil. You can also change your oil here if you prefer coconut oil. go ahead and use any oil of your choice. And if you also don't want to add any oil, maybe you feel like it's gonna be too heavy for your hair, you can also just go ahead and skip the oil, and you can just apply this mask into your hair directly like that, and it's also very fine. Guys, this mask was amazing in my hair. I can't lie you, it was really good. So if you are watching me for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe. Leave your comment below if you would love to give this hair mask a try. Guys, this hair mask is really good. It's great, and it's going to soften your hair, and it's going to give you all that greatness and strengthen and give you all that shine. It give you a lot of, like, it's going to protein, because it has a lot of protein, so it's great for hair, to be honest. And overall, it's going to grow your hair. Just give your hair a time, braid your hair or cornrow your hair, and go along with this hairspray that I did, and then your hair will grow. Your hair will grow. Okay, just give it a time and your hair will grow. So here is my hair. It's already washed and clean, so I just went ahead to apply this mask into my hair, and you guys can really see that it gives me a lot of coils. It was really coiling my hair, and it was really soft in my hair. And I also went ahead to apply this into my baby girl's hair as well, because I made it for both of us. Guys, it was incredible. I highly recommend you guys to give this hair mask a try. You are going to love it. Okay, just give it a try. You're gonna love it. And after applying it, you can leave it for 25 minutes or so, and you can rinse it out. You can go ahead and style your hair as usual. Trust me, guys, you are going to love this hair mask. Did you guys just see my hair? The baby is growing. It's growing slowly. Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Come on, this so that you don't get wet.
You're like mama. You're like mama, huh? You wanna touch mommy's hair? You touch it.
You like it? Guys, don't mind that mirror there, okay? That's us every time we do a hair mask, hairspray, or whatever. So the mirror is always messy. So this is our hair. I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. If you know you do, please do not forget to give us a thumbs up. What do they have to do? Subscribe. So subscribe to our channel, okay? Say subscribe. Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Next time, hope to catch you in my next one. Much love. Bye bye.